The difference between our Numeracy series and our Connecting All Strands series is that the Numeracy series was written for the Numeracy project. Now, the Numeracy project was developed to facilitate students to develop a lot of different strategies to manipulate numbers. And the Ministry of Education wrote a series of pink books which gave sample lessons to teachers as to how to do this, and it covered a whole lot of different strategies in addition and subtraction and multiplication and division and algebra, and also some number knowledge as well. Now, teachers asked us if we would write a series that gave follow-up material for each of those pink book lessons because they were struggling to have to write their own material. So each chapter in our Numeracy series is based on a pink book lesson. It uses the same materials that they used, and it introduces it in a similar way, and it has materials, imaging and number properties questions, and so it is based 100% on the pink book lessons and the Numeracy project. Our Connecting All Strands series is written for the New Zealand curriculum, and it covers all of the strands: number and algebra, geometry and measurement, and statistics. And although the number and algebra section of the New Zealand curriculum was based on the Numeracy project objectives, it doesn't go into the same detail and doesn't provide sample lessons as the pink books did. And so our number and algebra section, while it covers the same concepts as our Numeracy series did, it doesn't do it chapter by chapter in line with the pink books at all. It takes the main strategies and concentrates on them, and we took advice from the advisors on which strategies we should concentrate on in our Connecting All Strands series. And the other thing is we have tried to make a huge connection whenever we possibly can between the strands. So we've weaved the Numeracy strategies throughout the other strands.
And similarly, we've tried to use examples from the other strands for them to do their Numeracy work, so that students begin to see that there is a connection between all of those strands and how they can use their Numeracy work. For example, if they're doing work on in shape and perimeter, just to make sure that we're not learning things in isolation.